6th class. Today we are going to start our next chapter of term 2, that is chapter number 10, linear equations. So what is a linear equation? Let us discuss first. A linear equation is an algebraic equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c. This is the form of a linear equation where a, b, c are the constant and x and y are the variables. Okay, constant may be any natural number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and up to so on. They may be the constant, and it can be in the form of like 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. This is example of a linear equation. Also it is written here in the definition, a statement of equality of two algebraic expressions. This is a statement of equality. Left hand side, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. These are two algebraic expressions with the sign of equality in the middle, which involve one or more literals, is called an equation. Literals means variables. It may have one or two variables, x and y. इसमें एक वेरिएबल भी हो सकता है, दो वेरिएबल भी हो सकते हैं. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एन algebraic expressions which involves one or more variables with the sign of equality in between. And now let us take one more example of an linear equation. So this is the example, one more example of linear equation. 5x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 9. Now this is the linear equation in two variables. How many variables in this? X and y, two variables. Now why it is called linear always? Because the degree of a variable, x or y, these are the variables. Because the degree of variables is always 1, x power 1. When there is no power, we can write 1, x power 1 and y power 1. So the degree of variables is 1. That's why it is called a linear equation. When the degree of an equation is 1, then it will be called as linear equation. So now let us discuss exercise, how to solve a linear equation and how to find the values of the variables. So we are starting with the exercise 10.1 first. Convert the following statements into equations. आपको statement दी गई हैं इंग्लिश में, तो आपको इनको मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में, इक्वेशन की फॉर्म में लिखना है. 5 added to a number is equal to 9. So 5 added to a number, they haven't given any number, you have to suppose that number first. So here I have written it for you. 5 added to number is equal to 9. So let us suppose the number be x. Let the number is equal to x. किसमें 5 ऐड करने हैं? We have supposed the number is equal to x. Now according to question, 5 plus x or x plus 5, you can write both way. X plus 5 is equal to, will be equal to 9. Next is 3 subtracted from a number is equal to 12. Again they have not given any number. So let us suppose the number first, which is equal to x. According to the given statement, 3 subtracted from a number, you have to subtract 3 from your supposed number, that is x. X minus 3 is equal to 12. Next is 5 times a number decreased by 2 is equal to 4. Now 5 times a number and number is not given, again suppose the number. So 5 times a number, we have supposed the number x. 5 times x is equal to 5x. 5 times x is equal to 5x and minus 2. Decreased by 2, that means they have subtracted 2 from the 5 times of a number. Minus 2 will be equal to 4. Now 2 times the sum of number x and 7 is equal to 4. 2 times of the sum of number x and 7. किसका 2 times of the sum of the numbers? First you will write the sum of the numbers x and 7. Sum of number x and 7 will be x plus 7 and its 2 times is equal to, you will write it like this, 2 into x plus 7. According to the question, 2 into x plus 7 is equal to 13. So this was your first question. Now let's move towards the question number 2. Solve each of the following. When there is written solve, you have to find the value of variable given in the equation. So x plus 3 is equal to 4. What will be the value of x here? How you have to find? X plus 3 is equal to 4 is equal to, x is equal to, you can change the position of, you can change the side of any constant or variable with the sign changing. So x is equal to 4 minus 3. We have shifted 3 on the other side, that's why sign is changed. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. If there is multiply on the left side, if you are changing the side of the multiply number, then it will become divide. So x is equal to 4 minus 3, x is equal to 1, x plus 5 is equal to 9. Now again constant, you have to find variable, keep the variable on the one side and change the side of the constant. 5 is shifted to the another side, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. X plus 4 is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 and plus 4 will become minus 4 on the other side, x is equal to minus 7. Now I am going to the part number 7th. A plus 33 1 over 2 is equal to 9 over 2. Now these are the mixed, this is the mixed fraction, also this is the improper fraction. We have to change it into decimal first. Now 1 over 2 is equal to 0.5. We know 1 over 2, if you will divide 1 by 2 you will get 0.5. So I am writing 0.5 on the place of 1 over 2. 33 plus 0.5 will be 33.5. 9 over 2, divide 9 by 2, you will get 4.5. Now we have to find the value of a. This is the variable here. So shift 33.5 on the other side. So when you are shifting, again sign will be changed. Plus will become minus on the other side. Now it is minus on the other side. Now you will use integers here. This is plus positive 4.5 and this is negative 33.5. So plus and minus, what you will do, plus or minus? Minus you will do here by using integers. So when after subtracting, you will get the 29.0 with the sign or with negative sign, because sign always come from the greater term. 33 is greater here, so sign will become minus here. Again a plus 5, 3 over 4 is equal to minus 4. 3 over 4 is equal to 0.75. When you will divide 3 by 4, you will get 0.75. 1 over 2 is equal to 0.5. Now I am writing 3 over 4 as 0.75. It will become 5.75 and minus 4.5. 4 1 over 2 को क्या लिखा है? minus 4.5. Again shift the positions of constant. 5.75 की position change की, then it become minus. Now minus minus you will do, minus minus is plus always, so you will add both the terms and the answer will remain in negative, because sign is always of greater term. This is the greater and sign will become of negative. So sum number 3 is also same as we have done in the sum number 2. You have to try all the parts by yourself. If you are facing any confusion, then call me. Thanks to all of you.